Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Northfield number 725-inch planer. If you have questions about pricing, availability, or if you have surplus machinery you'd like to sell, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are located right here in Naperville, Illinois, and that we do not broker tools to ensure quality. We are also processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional machines, so check back often as we do not list machines until they've been thoroughly cleaned and checked. This is a Northfield number 725-inch planer. 7.5 horsepower direct drive, 208, 220, 440 volt, currently wired 220 volts. Up top you do have a handbrake. It does come with the knife grinding bar, the knife grinder, and joining stone. We also did order a manual from Northfield as well with this machine. It does have segmented infeed rolls, segmented chip breakers. Let's see if we can just focus in on up there. They're actually in really good condition. They still have a nice edge to them, still grab really tight. The beds are pretty clean. Remember, this is a 1967 model. The last owner has owned it for almost 30 years. 4-knife cutter head. Really well cared for. Does have forward and reverse for those bed rolls. We're going to turn it on. It's a really quiet running machine. We're going to turn that feed on. The little bit of rattling that you hear is actually right here. What it is this speed control just rides on a bearing. It's a really basic design, so that's what's making all your noise. Try and get it to a really slow speed real fast. It does have feed speeds of 20 to 100 feet per minute. Right now we're at about 20. And as you can see, it's at about a crawl. You can also hear the noise has resided. It's just when you have it in the 50, 60 to 100 feet, this is gonna rattle. And it's just the way the mechanism is. Again, a really nice example of a 67 number 7. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.